Let's talk about gestures, because whether you realize it or not, your hands are speaking just as much as your words. And here's the thing. No gestures, low energy. Too many random gestures, distracting. The goal is intentional gestures. Effective gestures help reinforce your message, show confidence, and make your delivery more engaging. When your body language matches your words, your audience understands and remembers more. Think of gestures as visual punctuation. For example, listing 3 points, show 3 fingers. Talking about growth, move your hands upward. Comparing 2 ideas, use space to represent each side. This makes your message clearer and easier to follow. Another key tip is making your gestures slightly bigger than what feels natural. On camera or in a presentation room, small gestures often disappear. Larger, more controlled gestures actually look more confident and expressive. Also, avoid repetitive or nervous gestures. Things like fidgeting, clasping your hands, or constantly adjusting your clothes. These things can distract from your message. Your gestures should support your story, not compete with it. And remember, great presenters don't just talk, they visually communicate. When your gestures align with your tone and your message, your audience stays more engaged and connected. If you want hands-on coaching on body language and executive presence, schedule a talk to the trainer and we'll help you refine gestures that look natural, confident, and impactful.